In the city's hum, a firefighter named Mateo faced a weight that dimmed his courage and limited his nights on duty. He swapped late takeouts for home-cooked meals, tracked calories with honesty, and trained after long shifts with stubborn resolve. There were brutal mornings when the treadmill betrayed him, yet he measured tiny wins and kept eyes on the skyline. Family moments and a mentor's steady words became his compass, guiding milestones like first push-ups, then a 5K, then a pull. Mateo's transformation proves discipline compounds into confidence and service. A beacon reminding viewers change begins with one choice.